Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about a very interesting topic that would be AI for business. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines think like humans. It can do things that are considered to be smart. AI technology can process a large amount of data in a way unlike humans. AI is transforming businesses by automating tasks and analyzing large amount of data, predicting their customer needs and market trends. They are also having marketing campaigns to product development, ultimately leading and increasing efficiency, better decision making, and happier client. Now, if you're interested to know more about this content, you are landed on the correct video. So please do like, share, and subscribe to our Edureka's YouTube channel. To get more update about this content, you can visit Edureka's website that is given in the description box. Now, getting into the agenda for today's video would be, firstly, what is AI and how it can be applied on the business settings. Secondly, tangible gain of AI for business. Next, how machine learning is implemented in AI for business. Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. Lastly, we would learn about some use cases that is used. So, the tangible gain of AI for business would be, AI benefits businesses by making them learner and more responsive to customer needs. It could also have reduced cost. AI can identify areas for cost saving like optimizing logistics and automating tasks that can be reduced. This translates a healthier bottom line for your businesses and even have a previously manual that can be done logistically. Then you would have a personalized customer experience. AI tailors experiences by having individual customers. Imagine there would be a chatbot providing real-time supports and marketing campaigns with a laser-focused targeting. AI fosters stronger customer relationship and boosted satisfaction. Now, let us learn about data-driven decisions. AI can analyze massive data sets, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that would be impossible to see by humans. This goldmine of insight powers businesses to make smarter decisions about everything and marketing campaigns and a product. So, this would have a product relation of where there would be marketing and also a new product release. Then we can learn about enhanced productivity. By automating tasks and streamlining, AI frees up a valuable time and resources. This allows businesses to get more down of profit and also the output improvement. Now let's learn how machine learning has brought an impact into AI for business. Machine learning is a subfield of AI. It empowers all the machines to learn from its data, like a self-improving student. Imagine a factories that is machines predicting their own breakdowns, stores suggesting products you would love before you would even know it, and doctors getting a helping hand for AI for diagnosis. That's the power of machine learning in action. Industry 4.0. This has brought a great implementation in all the platforms and fields. It is a tech makeover for factories. Imagine machine talking and fixing themselves into where AI and IoT, that is Internet of Things, has brought into a base that makes things faster and less waste. This could make a cleaner production and a new jobs. But security and cost are a great challenges. It's basically a smarter way to manufacture things. Industry 5.0. 5.0 builds on industry of automation by focusing on human-machine collaboration. Imagine robots as a useful assistant that would make a priority for real-time data and even making the roles and responsibilities into action. Industry 5.0 would make a future for AI for business. How that impacts would be, AI will have not only have automation tasks but also boost the efficiency, but also personalized customer experiences and even the data of which it can be created. Have you ever imagined how a world without a digital can work? Yes, I would like to tell you all guys, imagine a world where now your workdays is smoother. Your customer feels like VIP and also your boss keeps raving about your brilliant ideas. AI will handle a boring stuff and also freeing up a tackle creative challenges. Plus, it can become a customer service with remembering faster details, providing a 24/7 services. Soon, even small businesses also will have its encouragement apart from big businesses. Now, let's learn some use cases for AI for business. The first one would be marketing and sales. Marketing and sales will have AI personalization, having the prediction of marketing campaigns product recommendation, content writing, and also creative content. The lead generation and scoring will have its frequency, predict its livelihood, and bring a focus onto leading leads. As we know, chatbots will have a question and an answer that can be provided 24/7 to lead its qualification and streamline services interactions. Next would be human resource and finance playing a vital role. The recruitment process, where AI can scan resumes and conduct initial candidate screenings, saving HR's time professions. Employee onboarding, where chatbots can answer new employee questions and guide them through onboarding process. We also have fraud detection that goes under the fraudulent activities and product campaigns for financial losses. The risk management, where analyzing market data and financial statements are professional and also having a potential risk. So, I would like to tell you where using AI in business can make things work better and come up with new ideas. It's important and make sure that you're doing it ethically and keeping an eye on what you're doing it. For well, in which today's world is digital. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos and happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!